Sick of spending hours scrubbing stubborn dirt, mold, and grime from your driveway, car, or patio only to see mediocre results? This professional-grade 4500 PSI pressure washer unleashes the power to blast away years of accumulated dirt in minutes, transforming dirty surfaces back to like-new condition effortlessly. Imagine the satisfaction of watching thick layers of grime literally melt away as the high-pressure water stream does all the heavy lifting for you. With 4 Quick-Connect nozzles ranging from concentrated 0-degree power to wide 40-degree coverage, you can customize the spray pattern for any job from delicate window washing to heavy-duty concrete cleaning. The included foam cannon creates thick, clinging suds that loosen dirt and make washing your car feel like a professional detailing experience. What separates this from cheaper models is the durable pump system designed for extended use. Powerful enough to clean large areas quickly, but gentle enough when needed for painted surfaces and wood decks. The 20-foot high-pressure hose and 35-foot power cord with GFCI protection give you the reach to clean entire driveways and second-story walls without constantly moving the unit. The built-in detergent tank, nozzle storage, and hose reel keep everything organized and ready for action. Whether you're maintaining your home's exterior, preparing surfaces for painting, cleaning patio furniture, or giving your vehicle a showroom shine, this pressure washer makes every job faster and more effective. Stop renting expensive equipment or hiring costly services. Get professional results at home with this powerful cleaning machine. Check the link in the description and comments.